Hello everyone, welcome to iCharts. In this video, we will talk about the steps that you need to take to be able to access the courses that you have already enrolled for. Now, the first step is to log in. Since you have registered for the courses, you have already got your login and password ID for the website. For most of you, your login ID would be your email ID with which you have registered, and your password is the one that you selected at the time of registration. Once you log in, you will be redirected to the home page again, and you will notice the word dashboard or your name written on it. Click over there. You will have a small pop-up, visit the dashboard. Once you visit the dashboard, on the dashboard you will notice that there are different options that are available for you. Having said that, in order to access the courses, you need to go over here on the sidebar, click the courses button, and every course that you are enrolled in will be listed over here. The courses that you have not yet started will have the start course button. The courses that you have already completed will have the completed button, and the courses that you started but not yet completed would have the continue course button. So when you click the start course or the continue course button, you will be redirected to this main course page. Once again, click the start course or the continue course button and you will be redirected into the course. Now once you're in the course, you will have the options to check out the videos. You can play the video. Once you've played the video and watched the video completely, up over here you can press the next unit and it will take you to the next unit. And that's how you can go from one unit to the other. It's important to complete the previous unit before you go to the next unit. So when you do the course for the first time, if you were to directly try and access a unit that you have not yet completed, let's say this one, you will notice a lock button in front of you. This represents that you have not completed the course or the unit prior to this, and therefore you are not able to access this course. In order to access this unit, you need to go to the course that you have accessed, go to the course unit page, watch the unit completely, and once you watch the unit completely, then press the next unit button. And then you will notice that you are able to go to the next unit. Once again, you'll have to watch this unit, press the next unit button before you can go to the next unit. Now, for the units that you've already completed, you can go ahead and access any of the units in any order. So you don't need to start from the first unit again. Once you've completed a unit, you can directly go to this unit, or you can go to this unit, or you could directly go to this unit. So the restriction of completing the previous units is for the first time when you have enrolled for the program and have not completed the units earlier. In the course section, once you have accessed the course, you have other options that you can make use of. So there is an option to post a public comment. So if you have gone through this particular video, you have certain comments that you would like to make so that everyone can watch that comment, you can add a comment over here. In case you want to ask a question to the trainer, then you can click this option, ask a question over here. The question will be sent to the trainer and the trainer would generally respond to the question in the next 24 to 48 hours. And you will receive a notification mentioning that a response has been added to your question. There's also an option to make notes, which means while watching the video, if you want, you can add notes as comments. These notes will not be visible to other people. These are private notes which will only be accessible to yourself. These are like your private notebook where you're making your notes for the course. If you want to search for a particular unit, you can directly search for that unit over here. And once you have watched the videos, as many as you wanted to watch in a particular go, then you can press this button and you will be taken back to the enrolled course pages. You can either go to another course or you could log out, and then next time when you come, you can start again. When you press the continue course button, it will take you back to the last unit where you had left the course the last time you had logged out. I hope you have got a quick introduction to the various features of the course page and how you can make the best use of it.